Hi, and welcome to Golden Elite. Today we'll be talking about certain tips and tricks that you can use while renovating a small bathroom.
The first step in any renovations project is planning. Measure your space and note the precise dimensions of your bathroom. Do you want to replace the bathtub with a shower? Add extra storage space? These decisions are crucial for the next steps. For small spaces, choosing the right products is essential. Opt for wall-mounted vanities that free up the floor space. For example, the Floor collection from Golden Elite offers elegant wall-mounted vanities in various sizes. Its floating design creates an impression of a larger space. Once the main elements are planned out, think about accessories. Wall shelves, towel racks, and LED mirrors can transform your bathroom without cluttering the space. And there you have it. With good planning and the right product choices, you can transform your small bathroom into a functional and stylish space. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more renovation tips and inspiration. We'll see you in the next one.